not for me. Guys, don't forget to like this video and comment below. And if you really want to help my channel, it would be really great to subscribe. Thank you all.
bolje.
So guys, we have now arrived at our little plot on the mountain. This is it. Me and my father are gonna do a bit of work today, so we're going to try and clean up a bit. As you can see, we're using the ATV, which is quite awesome. We're going to put some trees on the trailer and tow them down. We'll see how it goes. Let me show you the plot. It has quite a nice view here.
Čišćenje terena za pravljenje etno kućice.
Yeah, so my father wants to clean up the plot. Say hi, Dad.
Bye.
So he wants to clean up this plot and potentially build something. It does have a view. I don't know how much you can see, but it's also quite a lot of bushes and trees and all kinds of stuff that actually need to go from here. So let's get started with some work and see you later, guys.
Evo kako izgleda kad programer uvati da čisti korov. Stenje kao da vuče 300 kila. Pazi prsti, to ti je najskuplje. Da li će uspjeti ovako debelu granu da oseče stablo? Bravo Saki. Bravo Saki. Skroz nek uđu makaze na to deblje. Skroz nek uđu do kraja makaze. Raširi makaze i gore više malo. O! Debelo to.
Stop. Honestly, guys, I enjoy the ride. I enjoy the nature, the beauty. I really like it here. But cleaning the brush, not for me. I don't know if you can see. Look at those thorns. They can get your hands pretty bad. Okay guys, so the job is almost done for today. As you can see here, we filled the trailer with wood. So now we're gonna slowly head back home. So guys, we had a little accident. Things started falling out. Not too big of a deal though. Yeah, we were going too fast.